Tommy Lee has been accused of sexual assault by an unnamed woman in court documents obtained by TMZ. The lawsuit names the Mötley Crüe drummer in a 2003 incident that took place on a helicopter ride from San Diego to Los Angeles. In the court filings, the woman says she was invited to go on the trip by the pilot, who was a friend, and found Lee waiting when she reached the tarmac. She did not confirm if she knew the drummer before the February 2003 incident. Both Lee and the pilot allegedly drank, snorted cocaine and smoked marijuana during the flight, the woman claimed. As the trip continued, she says that Lee grabbed her and forced her onto his lap, where he began to grope and kiss her. She said she tried to pull away but he yanked her back to him. Lee allegedly penetrated her with his fingers and groped her breasts. He then pulled down his trousers and tried to pull her head towards his groin, she said, but the woman managed to wrestle free. Once they landed in LA, the woman said she received a hug from Lee before he left, and she flew back silently with the pilot to San Diego. She said she didn't contact the police at the time as she felt she wouldn't have been believed. The alleged incident would have taken place roughly 5 years after Lee's divorce from Baywatch star Pamela Anderson in 1998. In a recent interview, the Mötley Crüe star, now 61, admitted he and his bandmates had no control over their drug and alcohol use. He also served a 6-month jail sentence for battering Anderson while she was looking after their 2-month-old son Dylan, which led to their divorce. Lee's representatives did not immediately respond to Express.co.uk's request for comment.